Hey, this is Kevin and we are over by the shelf unit in the Project Cave. The shelf unit I've been wanting to dress up for a while with some sliding panel doors. Well, it was originally just going to be a painted piece of 1/4-inch plywood. However, the other day I was out at a big box store and I found these whiteboard, blackboard combo panels that are going to be even better. So I picked up those and some 2x3. The 2x3 I cut down to 6 foot in length, routed 2 1/4-inch grooves the whole length of the board. I am going to mount those boards here and here. Then we will cut the doors to size, and I will have some sliding doors for this shelf unit. And on the whiteboard side, there will be a place for a to-do list, notes, whatever project I'm working on. Maybe on the blackboard side, I will spray paint a logo. So anyway, let's get this installed. Panels slide nice, the doors are fit, so let's get these out of here so we can take these rails off and get those painted. These sliding doors are done and I am super happy with how they turned out. I think the black looks pretty sharp, yet the panels are reversible so you can have a whiteboard, a big one if you want, to put your cut list, your to-do list, or whatever information your project may need. You still have access to everything behind here, but at the same time it cleans up that dirty laundry look that was happening with these shelves. Very excited. I like spending time in the Project Cave. I like it just a little bit more now. Anyway, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below about what you think of this project or what you'd like to see in an upcoming episode. I'm Kevin, and I'll see you next time in the Project Cave.